Hey everybody, and welcome to this short video about one of the features on the digital business card that is actually a really cool feature that comes with the card. It's not necessarily inbuilt inside the card, but I'm going to show you in just a second what I mean with that. And it's your QR code applications. As you know, you have a QR code on your phone that people can scan, and when they scan it, it opens up your digital business card on their phone. But you can do so much more with that. So to access that, you're going to go to the website, either ledigitcard.com or to any of our affiliate websites, and you're just going to go log in, and then you log in with your credentials. And we're just going to log in here with a test or a sample account here. And so when you log in into this place right here. Now here, as you can see, there's the QR code applications. When you click on that, it's going to give you 4 different things. And basically the bottom 2 are just information. And it says here, a good thing to do is to actually put your QR code for your digital business card on your regular business card as well. So that way people can scan it, and then they can actually throw away your card, which they're probably going to do anyway, right? So that's just one of those best practices. And to get the QR code, under all of these tabs here, it says click here to get your QR code, and it just gives you a big version of your QR code. Also, for example, trade show booths, you can pretty much anywhere you can print your QR code. I should just do it. And so anybody that comes by, they scan that, and boom, they got your digital business card on their phone. And I'm going to go back to click here to get your QR code. Now this is a JPEG. If you download this, actually if I download this here, it actually is going to save this as a PNG. So as you can see right there, now you can't scale that up. If you do scale that up, it's going to get pixelated, but we have instructions right here. If you need a really big version of your QR code, we're talking, like 2 feet wide, something like that. Then you want to get an EPS version or a vector version. And once you get an EPS version, you can scale that up as big as you want. I mean, you can make that 1/2 a mile wide, and it's still going to be crisp. So to do that, we'll just walk through how that works. Where you click there, and it has these steps that you have to go through. So download the regular version PNG to your computer on the previous page. So again, you're going to do a right click on here, and then whatever browser you have, you're going to have to save that image. So I already did that. Let me go back here. I just saved it right here into my downloads. And so the next thing here says go to, and then just click on that link, and I'm going to open it in a new window so we can come back here. And so this is a third-party company. We're not affiliated with them. We'll go back here, and it says the next step under upload local file, click on choose file. So we go here, upload local file, choose file. Let's go back, and then locate the file on your computer. So I go to downloads, there's the file. See, there's the QR code, and I click choose, and then click on upload. Then under convert PNG to, choose EPS. So here, convert PNG to, I'm going to say to EPS. Don't worry about any of the others. There's a lot of different versions here. Just click on EPS, and then click on convert now. So once that happens, it's going to show down here, and then it says here under list of converted, click on the download link. So there's the download. I click on that, and it downloads that immediately to my computer. So it's almost there. There we go. So now if I open up my download folder, see, I have the one that I downloaded first. There it is. And then I have the EPS version right with that. Now, it doesn't show any difference between those two. But again, the EPS version, you can scale that up as big as you want because it's a mathematical version of that picture. This is a picture. This is a mathematical version of it. So you can use that, and that's how easy it is to get an EPS version of your QR code. Close this back down, close this back down, and go back out here. So if you need a big version, that's how you would do that. You can click on any of these. Click on get your own QR code. Once you go there, it will have these instructions to how to get a vector version of that QR code. So There's also downloadable flyers. Click here to download a sample flyer, and there's 2 different flyers that you can download. When you download them, it just downloads them straight to your computer. And so let me unzip that here for a second. And oh, there it is. And so that's what it looks like. So you can actually, this is 8.5 by 11, and if you can load this into Photoshop or any graphical program, and then just replace this QR code here with your own. And so, of course, the picture and everything, this card on the phone is going to look this way, just because that's, it's just a picture. If you want to have a little bit more freedom in how to design it, you can download this other one, the customizable flyer. And so you can put your own text and everything in here, and you can actually, in Photoshop, or you can put in your picture and then your name and all that as well here. So those are the 2 flyers that you can download. Now we also have a really cool thing. This is a printable flyer. And when I click here to print my custom flyer, what happens is it actually builds it within a fraction of a second. It builds my flyer. This is my custom flyer. It actually just built this with my picture, and this is my card. These are the buttons that are on my card. This is, of course, there's a fictional name. This is the business name, and this is the first tab. Also, this QR code was just built just for this flyer. And what I mean with this is dynamically built. Just look at these 4 buttons right here, and the last one here is Twitter. I'm going to go back. This is built the way you have set up your card. And I'm going to show that to you. So remember, the one on the right is Twitter. If I go all the way back to my home page here, and I click on Edit Card, and then I click Edit Card Info, this is where I can change, as you all know, this is where I can change the card info. These are my buttons right here that I have on my phone. So icon number 4 is, remember, this was Twitter. I'm going to change this to Office Phone. And that's the only thing I'm going to change. So we're just going to continue through here. And so what I just did was, on my phone, I have changed excuse me about that, the last button to a Twitter, from Twitter to an Office Phone icon. Now, if I go back to my flyer and I click Print Flyer, this button is now the one that I just chose. So this is what I mean with this flyer gets built every time you open up this page. So even if you make changes to your card, you can come back in here and just reprint it, and it will actually, this will actually reflect your business card, your actual business card, digital business card on your phone. So it's a really cool thing. This is the first one we have on here. We're actually thinking about building a whole bunch of these, just because it makes it so simple. So for you to get this this flyer, you just log into your account, click QR code applications. The top one here says print this flyer, and then you can just go here under File, Print, and you'll see it actually, this is an 8.5 by 11. Now here's another really cool thing. It actually prints this in high definition. This is what's called 300 dpi, which is what printers use. This is normally when you print off of a website, the picture gets really pixelated because it's low resolution. We were able to actually contain the entire high resolution flyer inside this this 8.5 by 11. So looks very, very great, very, very sharp. So those are, this is the thing that I wanted to talk about QR applications, QR code applications, and hope you're using your card well and it's doing great things for you. Again, if you have any questions, please go ahead and contact us, and we'll try to help you guys out. If you have new ideas of what you can do with the card and you don't mind sharing those, just shoot us an email, and maybe we'll shoot a video for that as well. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you next time.